color. The color wheel. A color wheel or color circle is an organization of color hues around a circle, showing relationships between colors considered to be primary colors, secondary colors, complementary colors, etc. Artists typically use red, yellow, and blue primaries, so these are arranged at 3 equally spaced points around the color wheel. So you can see here I have an image of the color wheel on the left, and then what primary colors are here, and then secondary and tertiary colors. This is a video from Sesame Street on color wheel organization that you can play and watch. I forget how long it is.
Oh, there are 3 primary colors. Only 3 are primary, is true. The world is full of every kind of color, but we're just talking red, yellow, and blue. Red, yellow, yellow, blue, blue. These 3 are the primaries, it's true. Oh, there are 3 primary colors. Only 3 are primary, is true. But if you mix the primaries together, brand new colors come right into view. Red and yellow make orange. Red and yellow make orange. Yellow and blue make green. Yellow and blue make green. Blue and red make purple. Blue and red make purple. And that's a lot of colors to be seen. There are 3 primary colors, and lots of other colors out there too. But when you see any other color, they're all made up of red, yellow, and blue. Red and yellow make what? Red and yellow make orange. Right. Yellow and blue make what? Yellow and blue make green. That's right. Blue and red make what? Blue and red make purple. Right. That's a lot of colors to be seen.
All right, thanks. Color wheel organization. So primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. These 3 pigments are colors that cannot be mixed or created by any combination of other colors. All other colors are derived from these 3 colors. So those are the primaries, and there's an example of a image, a print, that's in primary colors on the right. Secondary colors are green, orange, and purple. These 3 pigments are created by combining the 3 primary colors. You can see I have an image of some eggplants on the right that are purple. Tertiary colors are yellow, orange, red purple, blue green, and yellow green. Tertiary colors are colors that are created by mixing primary and secondary colors to get colors in between those values. Hue, a color name such as blue, green, yellow. Hue, sometimes called local color, is generally what we mean when we ask, what color is it? The car is blue. The apple is red. These are hues. Value, a term to describe light, medium, and dark tones. Value is the measure of the lightness or darkness of a color. Think of a tree with some of its leaves in bright light and some in shadow. So underneath we see in this image, we see some values, 100% value red, 50%, and 25%. Saturation. Saturation is a measure of how much of the hue exists in the color, the intensity. Think of what happens to colors at sunset. The purer the color, the more highly saturated it is. And I have some examples of saturation below shown here. The one on the left is 100% saturation, then you have 50% saturation in the middle, and then 25% saturation on the right. Brightness. Brightness is the relative lightness or darkness of a particular color. And you have a scale here that shows light to dark. Color schemes are logical combinations of colors on the color wheel. In color theory, a color scheme is a choice of colors used in a design. Color schemes are used to create style and appeal. Colors that create an aesthetic feeling when used together will commonly accompany each other in a color scheme. A basic color scheme will use 2 colors that look appealing together. More on color schemes. You're going to have a color portrait project, and these are some schemes that are going to be required. Monochromatic color scheme, analogous color scheme, complementary color scheme, triadic color scheme, and achromatic color scheme. Some other color schemes that are not going to be required, but I'm going to tell you about them. Split complementary colors, warm and cool color scheme, and tetrad color scheme. Monochromatic color scheme consists of different values, tints, and shades of one single color. These color schemes are easy to get right and can be very effective, soothing, and authoritative. There's a couple images down here showing monochromatic color schemes. Analogous color schemes, also called harmonious colors, are colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. Most typically, they are in groups of 3. Some examples are green and blue-green, yellow, yellow-orange, and orange, red, red-orange, and orange. And here I have some examples using analogous colors. Complementary color schemes. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, such as blue and orange, red and green, purple and yellow. And here I have some examples of complementary color schemes. You can see there's a pastel drawing on the right that shows red and green color scheme. Triadic color schemes. Triadic uses 3 colors equally spaced around the color wheel. You can see here what that is below. And there's a picture here of John Lennon that has the 3 different colors. They're actually the primaries in this example. Achromatic color scheme uses black, gray, and white only. Here's an example of a Kara Walker piece, which is in black, white, and grays. Split complementary color scheme. A color scheme that includes a main color and the 2 colors on each side of its complementary opposite color on the color wheel. So this is an example here, is a picture of a split complement of this whale. You can kind of see what it is by looking at this color wheel below. Cool and warm colors. A cool-warm harmony is a 4-color scheme involving opposing colors. It's based on a single pair of neighboring warm colors and a single pair of neighboring cool colors. Cool colors are blues and greens and purples. Warm colors are reds, yellows, and oranges. So here I have some examples of what that could look like. There's a picture of some trees on the bottom by William Trost Richards on the left, and a landscape by Paul Cézanne on the right. And the one on the right is in cools, and the one on the left is in warm colors. Tetrad color scheme. A tetrad color scheme involves 4 colors that are equally spaced around the color wheel in rectangular or square formations. The 3 tetrads that can be created through interconnecting 4 colors by a square are yellow, violet, red, orange, blue, green, yellow, orange, blue, violet, red, green, or orange, blue, red, violet, yellow, green. And here you have an example of a picture of somebody in a tetrad on the bottom. And that's it. That's my lecture. Thank you so much.